Hello everybody, this is me Purnata from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am today at Shuktara resort in Sylhet and I am having an amazing time. So right now I am going to show you the library. So the library is in the second floor, which is nearby the reception. So here you can see beautiful pictures, and come with me. Do you remember this? We even have this. We have 4 kinds of cards to play. We have chairs to read books. And here we have different types of books. See? So then here it is the tabla, as we all know. Then here we have got some pictures. Then this things, this award, and more books and magazines. We have got here many books and magazines. So then you can see that here are pretty beautiful pictures, and here it is the entrance, and now is the comfort place. So here you can see we don't have a place to sit, but we do have a place to lay down. Here we have chairs and tables, and here 4 people can read books easily and comfortably. Well, come here. We even have here a rocking chair, as I know, and it is quite weird. I think that it is the window. Here is 2 chairs. Here is a lot of, oh no, this is actually something. Here we have chairs. So now I'm going to show you something special. You can play music here, and I'm going to play some. Ready? Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora. Oh wait. Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora go bilabol. Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora go bilabol. Shastro bote oshto bheda shuddho iha ke bolo. Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora go bilabol. Dhagabadi shababadi uttorango prabalo. Dhagabadi shababadi uttorango prabalo. Diba prathama prohore gahe gudi Shakolo. Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora go bilabol. Shabo shuro shuddho jado. Shabo shuro shuddho jado. Shabo shuro shuddho jado tathora go bilabol. Bye bye. Hoise.